Hey everybody, Mr. Kirkwald here. Just wanted to go through my Schoology page, how it works, how it's set up, and how you can utilize it to have an awesome year. So, first thing is when you get to my Schoology page, you always want to look at the calendar on the top. It tells you everything that you're going to need to know. For instance, it says September 8th, Hybrid B is in person. So those are the kids that are coming to school that day. So with the hybrid B kids are coming in person, the hybrid A kids are at home along with the distance learning kids. So if you're hybrid A, you're going to look at the hybrid A section. If you're hybrid B, you're going to look at hybrid B. And if you're a distance learner, you're going to look at the distance learning portion of it. So if you are hybrid A today, you should be watching this video. So already you said watch all about Mr. Kirkwald, and then it says watch the Schoology intro video, and then it says respond to the discussion post about the collapsing train car. So that's what you're going to do after you watch this video. So there's a couple of ways to get to these things. The first thing that I did is in here I actually linked all of these things. So if I put this into full screen mode, I can go in and I can just click all about Mr. Kirkwald video. And when I click all about Mr. Kirkwald video, it's going to take me to YouTube to watch the video. Okay. So that's one way to do it. The other way is I'm going to have the weeks listed here. So for the first week, September 8th through the 11th, if you drop down whatever day of the week it is, you can go into that folder to find what you're going to need if it ever wants to load. Perhaps, there we go. So today is Tuesday. So I'm going to go into Tuesday. Well, except for if you're hybrid B kids, then you're watching this on Wednesday. Here you can see I've got the All About Mr. Kirkwald, the Schoology Intro, the Collapsing Train Car. So if you don't want to use the links here and you'd rather use the links down here, you can certainly do that. Either way is fine. So yeah, that's going to be kind of how it's going to work. Then on Wednesday, you'll go into the Wednesday folder. If there are specific things in here that just distance learners are doing or just one of the hybrid groups are doing, I'm going to start it off with that title. So like if the collapsing train car thing was only going to be for distance learners, what you'll see at the top of it is I'm going to put distance only, collapsing train car. And then I'll save that. So it'll say distance only or hybrid A only or hybrid B only. So that way you know exactly what you need to do there. And then as always, you can just go in and click the links here if you need to as well. So now that you're done watching this video, you can either hit discussion post up in the calendar or you can hit collapsing train car here and wrap up with our discussion post today. I will see you guys later. Bye.